Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online tricks and tutorials. So before wasting time, I discovered a new proxy site called Proxylink. It's a pretty new proxy site, and they are really working hard to provide good proxies. So you can see they say one of their saying here, unleashing internet potential. They have good review on Trustpilot. You can go and check them, see, and they provide good support. If you contact them here and online, they will rapidly help you out or sort out your issues. We are customer focused, providing instant support, high trust IPs, huge pool, 100% privacy. Their IPs can be used for ad verification, SEO monitoring, and many more features, web scraping, penetration testing. They are fast and reliable, automatic and instant delivery. Yeah, and they have 99% uptime. So what I did, this is their pricing, residential pricing. They provide like £3 or euros. This is €3 per GB. This is around $3.2. They are pretty cheap. That's why even I decided to review them. Pretty cheap. They provide residential IPs. They give you an option of either rotating or sticky, high trust IPs, and unlimited threads. So as you can see here, as you buy more traffic, the cost per GB increases. So for 15, if 1 GB is around €3, so it makes sense that 5 GB is around €15, which is around $15.5 there. So it's pretty cheap and affordable. With 5 GB, you can do so much online. If you're just doing paid online service and not watching videos, this one can last you even for 3 weeks, and you could have made back that particular amount of money. If you're an enterprise, just go to the enterprise plan and pick, and they will customize one for you. Another cool feature about them, they say you get started with premium proxies and enjoy a 200% money back guarantee. This means that they don't have a free trial, but if you buy the IP, you're supposed to use it for 3 days. If you're not satisfied with their performance after 3 days, they can refund you your money. For example, if you buy any package, if you buy the €60 package or $3 package, let's say that is simple one, if you use it after 3 days, the 200% money back guarantee means that they're going to refund you your money. For example, if you can buy and decided to use it on a particular survey site or whatever, if it's okay with you, just come back here and buy, and they're going to give you a promo code. If you're happy with their services, they always provide you with a promo code with a discount to buy more proxies. If you're not happy with their proxies, they don't have a free trial, but you can just register here, click here risk free. This means that once you use their site after 3 days, if you're not satisfied with their services, you can request for a refund, and they're going to refund you your money. So that's it about them. As usual, you see, they are supported by MuLogin, MuLogin, VMLogin. There are so many partners. This means that they are working well. So if you don't have an account, as usual, just click register. I think I already have an account. Oh, sorry, I already have an account. Let me log out first. Show you the registering page. So just click sign up. The pretty basic stuff for what they require. So just sign up. Once you sign up, you can sign in like me now. You see, once you sign up, you come to their site. So use cases, I've shown you the use cases. Guarantees, you see, they are 99% uptime, or all those information there. Pricing, I've showed you the pricing. It's a pretty simple proxy site which is newly launched, and they have amazing products. Like remember, their business is providing IP, and also you can buy using alternative coins like Ethereum, PayPal or credit. For example, if you want to get this one now, they have an option of buying either using a Litecoin or Bitcoin. So if I click here, Litecoin, so you see I already have a subscription, so they cannot allow me to buy another one here. Maybe if I try clicking this one, you see already have a subscription to another plan. But if you click here, you can choose either Litecoin or Bitcoin. But Litecoin is the best. It's cheap and has low fees. So the dashboard pretty explains everything, shows you your active plan. My plan, I bought a beginner plan to test them out. Remember, the major work I do on my YouTube channel is to review proxy sites. I try to review as many of them. I use my funds to risk testing sites on behalf of my viewers, so that I can help them make informed decision when they're deciding to buy their proxy site. You can see from my review videos, you can be able to see which one works for you and which one does not work for you. So I remove the risk of my viewers going to various proxy sites and subscribing to them manually. So I do that job for you guys. So your work is just go through my videos, you find the proxy site that you like, and from my reviews, and you can go ahead and buy. So this one, that's the major thing why I review proxy sites. So let's get back to the video. So they have dashboard, which shows you the active plan, data remaining, renewal date, and so much extra. Remember, every single plan asks for 30 days. And you can join them on Discord server, where they provide giveaways for various codes and quick support. But also remember, you can contact them here under this feature here, quick support feature. So you don't have to go to their Discord always. Okay, then let me jump purchase data. I've shown you how to load up your data on Proxylink. Proxy generator, I want to finish up with this one. Referrals, remember they have an amazing referral earnings. So if you're a good marketer, you can come here, you can create your referral link here, share it with your friends, and if they register, you're going to get 15% for him or her. I'm going to post my referral link, but it's not a must that you register using my referral link. You can just go directly to the site and register. But if you want to promote me, you can use my referral link, but it's not a must. Yeah, my key thing today is about reviewing them. So now we have seen their pricing, we have seen how to top up an account with them. Now I want us to see what their proxy is all about. So for now, remember, this is a new proxy site. They're trying really to improve. For now, when you're getting a proxy on Proxylink, they only provide selection of country. Wow, they only allow selection of country around. So yeah, they only provide the selection of a country, and they provide you the rotation time of your IP. So you can just pick sticky IP or rotating IP depending with your needs. For example, you might be working with a site which is not strict on IP, on selection of ISP or state. Proxylink is the best for you. Just come here, select the United States, select the rotating time. Sticky means it's static. It will not rotate, but they are going to give you a random ISP and a random and a random state. That's the only thing that is different. Remember, you can see even their profile is pretty simple. They are growing. So what I can assure you is that you keep on checking them, and they are going to add more features while selecting a proxy. For now, they're just starting. They only provide United States. They only provide you an option to select a country, but they support all countries in the world. For example, if you want India, any country, they support all the countries in the world, even Kenya, whichever country you think of. They can also they support country selection. They support IP rotation. You can choose a rotating or sticky. Sticky is the best if you are working on, if you want to remain with one IP for a long time. Then the format for connection, username, password, hostname, whatever. So you can use this one, username, password, hostname, or port. You can use the port. Use hostname, this is the IP, port, username, password. Remember the IP come with the password. So if you want to share your IP with other people, you can click 3 quantity, then you click generate. It's going to generate 3 of them, but remember 3 of them will be having random ISP. They'll not be having the same ISP. They'll be having random ISP. So if you're working on sites which are not sensitive, Proxylink is the best. You can share it with your friends, and each of your friends will be having a different state and a different ISP, and you can make your money there. So this one is this is the setup now. They provide a residential proxy Rink. They provide you, this is the IP, is in form of a text. This is the port, this is the password, this is the username, and this is the password. So I want us to connect it on a architect browser, Bit browser here. So first of all, let's go to Bit browser. Let's click here, profile. Let's go to under IP section here. So remember another thing, sorry, I forgot to tell you that Proxylink.pro, they support HTTP. They don't support SOCKS. For now, they don't support SOCKS 5 proxies protocol. They only support HTTP protocol. So be very keen on that. They support HTTP protocol. Remember, there's a new proxy site. Later on, they'll be adding other protocols. But for now, the only working protocol is HTTP protocol. I want us to be clear on that. So for example, now let's paste this one, copy all this, copy, then go to my Bit browser. Let me select, remember they support only HTTP, this one. They don't support SOCKS 5 for now, but they will be adding all other protocols very, very soon. So click HTTP, proxy type HTTP, right? Then here you paste your details. The best thing about Bit browser, when you post all your details here, it fills them for you automatically. You see, it fills username. It has filled my username, password, IP, and port. It fills for you automatically. Let me see. Residential, yeah. It fills for you all the details automatically. See, then you can check your proxy connection before connecting. You see, I'm connected to Florida, Miami. You see, so once you confirm that you're connected to the location, click confirm, and then once you confirm, you just, oh, it's opened. Let me close it first. I want us to open together. So remember, I've set up this IP here. I've set up this IP, residential, this one. I want to be very keen, it's the same as this one. I have taken the first one. So once you set up like that, just click confirm, then open. Let's see whether their proxy is good. Remember, I'm testing them on Bit browser. These are another stories. Interested in what.net, this one. You see, one thing I'm sure, they provide random ISPs and random state. The only option you can choose on Proxy Rink is the country, but they provide you with a random region or state and a random city, a random city and a random ISP. And they only support HTTP protocol. But in future, they are really growing. It's a new, their IPs are very nice. Their sticky option is working perfectly. I've tested them on various survey sites, and you can see that they are nice. So if you're working on a site which is not sensitive to IP changes, Proxylink is a good one for you. Remember, they use, I want to repeat again and again, they use HTTP proxy, and they give you an option to select the country, but the ISP and state will be chosen for you randomly. So guys, feel free to check out Proxylink.pro. I'm going to post the link under my video description. Feel free to check them out, and you can even try their 200% money back guarantee. So guys, be sure to check out our Proxylink and give me your feedback under the comment section. I'm very keen to see how it's working for you guys. So thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video, guys. Thank you.